Looking at national news tonight, a key model is increasing its projected death toll from the coronavirus in the United States. The Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation at the University of Washington is now projecting 147,000 deaths by early August. That's 10,000 more than the model estimated over the weekend. The Institute says the reasons behind the latest increase vary from state to state, but it's pointing toward some common factors, including changes in testing and reopenings. The University of Washington model has often been cited by the White House.
The nation's top infectious disease expert warns Congress if the country reopens too soon, it will bring, quote, needless suffering and death. Dr. Anthony Fauci testified remotely today before a Senate committee on reopening the country during the pandemic. As for vaccines, the doctor says there are at least 8 in clinical development and hopes at least 1 will be ready for trials by early winter. Stick around. We have more coverage of that hearing today coming up here in just a few minutes at 9:30.
A new study shows that while coronavirus is rare in children, the disease can be dangerous to those who get it. Researchers examined 48 children with COVID-19 from the United States and Canada who had been admitted to pediatric intensive care units. They found 83% of the patients had underlying health conditions that compromised their immune system. Of the 48 children involved in the study, 18 were placed on ventilators and 2 died.
Johns Hopkins University launched a free online course on contact tracing this week. Tracers track down anyone who might have been infected by a person who was recently diagnosed with coronavirus so they can quarantine themselves and prevent further spread. The 5-hour course is offered by the university's Bloomberg School of Public Health. It's available to anyone who's interested. The university estimated the U.S. will need at least 100,000 contact tracers to safely reopen.
Moving to consumer news, more bad news for Boeing. The company says April ended up being one of its toughest months yet. Deliveries of new planes ground to a near halt. They only delivered 6, the lowest number in more than a decade. And more orders are being canceled. They say they lost more than $1 billion in the first quarter and made the decision at the end of last month to cut 16,000 jobs to try to save money. All of this, of course, in response to the massive drop in air travel, plunging more than 90% from a year ago.